Are medical students allowed to take part in the junior doctors' strike? How can we help? Unfortunately, no, guys, medical students are not able to take part in this ballot for industrial action. And the reason, basically, is that it's a dispute between junior doctors and their employer, the NHS in England. And since medical students are ultimately neither employed by the NHS or junior doctors at all, you are a separate entity, you guys are not eligible to take part and vote in the industrial action. I completely understand where this question is coming from. Lots of you will be junior doctors very, very, very soon, but unfortunately at this particular snapshot in time, it's only people who are currently junior doctors in England. The more important thing that I would ask you to bear in mind if you are a medical student in England is that your universities, your NHS trusts and your medical schools do not try and get you to undermine industrial action by junior doctors in any way. We actually saw this happen during the nursing strikes, where there were emails from several NHS trusts asking medical students if they wouldn't mind chipping in, coming in and filling in the gaps that were created by the nursing strikes. You should not engage with this. This is not acceptable. You are students. Your role is to learn, not to work. Not only that, but the moment you do anything that is even a whisper beyond your trained competencies, that is what you are trained and able to do safely, you are directly going against the GMC guidance that governs you and would be vulnerable to any of the fallout from that. And please, if you do receive any messaging or communication to this effect, please inform the BMA such that it can be dealt with appropriately. And public awareness is also really important. This stuff does affect you guys. It actually affects you guys who are medical students probably much more than it affects us who are already doctors, because you have more years of your career that are going to be affected by whatever the consequences of this industrial action are. So we do sympathise, we need your help, and we really appreciate it. Thank you.